People were just having fun and everything was on the wheels. There was post-it notes around. There was also candies. As an electrical engineering student, like all the courses I'd taken thus far were either in big lecture halls or in labs. And so to come to D.school, it felt like a bit like an adult Disneyland. Up until my first course at the D.school, I feel like I was using one side of my brain, very analytical, good at math, good at physics. D.school really opened up the other side of the brain. In some ways, actually pushed me to bring my creativity back. It probably existed when I was young, but I'd stopped using it. I still remember it was kind of painful to design my first thing in that class. But as I did more and more of it, I think the creative confidence came back. During my 2 years at Stanford, every quarter I tried to start a company. And in the very final quarter of my 2-year degree, I took the Launchpad course with my co-founder Ankit, and we designed a mobile app called Pulse. And it was built in roughly 6 weeks. And one of the things I liked about that Launchpad course, I still remember, is that Michael Deering and Perry Kleban asked us to sign a piece of paper which said that you will not pass this course until you release your product publicly. I think that just having that bias towards action, releasing the product, really took the product in a completely different place that we hadn't thought of. Pulse was a news reader, an aggregator that tapped into the RSS feeds from different publishers. 2 weeks before graduation, Steve Jobs released the iPhone 4. Before he launched the iPhone 4, he said, "Let me show you some iPad apps that I enjoy." And right there, the first app he talked about was Pulse. And I sort of, couldn't believe it. It felt one of those moments where you're sort of pinching yourself to see whether that was a dream. Well, in the age of AI, I think it does make you think about what is going to differentiate us humans from machines. Do we have more capability? Do we have better craft? And then do we have the courage? I do think already maybe machines have more capability than humans. On the craft front, I feel like there is maybe an edge, but maybe machines will learn how to do that as well. That leaves us with courage and this idea whether humans will be able to wake up and have the agency to go do things. And this is very much connected to D.school's principle of bias towards action. If we're gonna just sit back and wait for things to happen, maybe the machines will just be able to do it better than us. But if we wake up and go do things like go build projects, then machines may even be this huge augmentation for you to go do that. In this day and age, design is what will differentiate people as well as companies. It matters more than ever. This is not something that you can truly delegate to a designer and hope that it will be good. It is something that each person inside the company needs to care about.